So let me rewrite main just slightly to give a better idea about how our invocations are working, as well as say hello. I'm just going to alter the strings that say hello does, and I'm going to put in just a little level of indentation. And then instead of saying hello world multiple times in main, I'm going to do this. I'm going to say console.writeLine invoking say hello, console writeLine ended. And then to make things a little bit cleaner, I'll do another write line right there. And I'll do this 4 times, just like we did before. Again, this code isn't any more complex than what we had before. We just kind of reorganized our write lines a little bit. And the reason I reorganized them is now when I hit F5, look at this. We can actually see a hierarchy starting to form. This hierarchy has 2 levels. It has main and it has say hello. So we see that in our output we invoke say hello. Then we jump our execution down to line 32. After line 32 we execute 33. So we see proof of that by the output being hello world, then the second line being printed. Then execution jumps from wherever the end of this is all the way back to where the method was invoked. Now this method's invoked from 4 places. I actually should have probably written this as invoking say hello for the first time.
How about just 1 and then 2 and then 3? I don't know.
Yeah,
Quicker.
Yeah, that's
faster.
probably better. Yeah, sure. But what we have right here is proof that our unique invocations of say hello are performed, and it happens 4 times. The important thing to understand right now is that say hello is defined once, but is used 4 times. So even if methods are still kind of nebulous for some people, I really want people to sort of start to get the idea that methods are a way of packaging code. They're a way of saying that, or defining reusable bits of code that we can execute multiple times, however many times we want, in fact, without having to redefine the method. So again, let's do another thing. I'm going to add a 3rd line. By adding a 3rd line was added to the output for every single invocation of say hello. By altering the code in one place, I've actually changed the output of the program drastically. And that's that is pretty much one of the big benefits of methods, is that we can centralize bits of key logic.